Okay, we're back for another gameplay of Resident Evil 2, guys. So without a further ado, let us now proceed. By the way, nakuha ko na nga pala guys yung pangalan ng Tyrant. So ang pangalan pala ng Tyrant is Mr. X. Meron kasing isang person na nag-comment sa aking post dun sa TikTok that is related to Resident Evil 2 Remake. And na-mention niya dun yung pangalan ng Tyrant, Mr. X. Well, that's weird. Well, ang malaga, inapatumba na natin yung Tyrant, okay? Pinasabog siya ni Ada. Okay, I hope that's the last of him. Alright, let us now proceed. Continue. Return to game. Click. Alis na nga pala tayo din sa garage. Ito yung keycard. There we go. Tarlets. Wait. Safe ba na lumabas tayo din eh? Feel ko pagkakadaming zombie din eh. Labas kasi to. Tandaan nyo yung from our previous gameplay, ang daming zombie dun sa labas bago tayo makapunta sa police station. By the way, kamusta na kaya si Claire? Ano? Bro, may katawagan si Ada. G-Virus. Oh, it's still raining.
Is that the intel you needed?
Unfortunately, no. Ben didn't come through.
Well, what exactly are you looking for?
More info on the people responsible for this mess. What about you? Trying to save the world?
I told Lieutenant Brenna I'd bring help.
Good luck getting that.
Okay. Bro, napansin ko lang. I think this is a dead city now. Walang katao-tao, oh. So quiet. Ganito din yung mga nakakatakot minsan eh. Walang katao-tao sa paligid. Tapos ang tahimik pa. Tapos mapapaisip ka na baka mayroong dadali sa iyo.
Road's out. Going through that gun shop looks like the only way.
Kawasan di pa tapos i-repair ito? Oh my goodness. Hey, look at that. The Umbrella brand. Gun shop Kendo.
What a mess.
May malimut kaya tayo yung mga weapons? What's this? Long barrel. Okay. Pang-combine sa shotgun. Sige, wait. Combine. Alright. Humaba na ang nguso ng ating shotgun, no? Pwede ko malakas na to. Putik, bro. Dalawang slot na din ang kanyang sinakop. Oh my goodness. Yan, namalagay may available slots pa tayo. There we go. What's this? Letter to the shopkeeper. Kendo, it seems like you've got reasons for staying put, or I'll trust you. Take care of yourself still. Jill Valentine? Hindi din si Jill. Kasi hindi naman natin siya naka-encounter or something eh. So galing din si Jill sa gun shop. Okay. And who's Kendo?
I'm not gonna hurt you.
I said don't move.
I'm just passing through. I'm gonna ask you to lower that weapon.
I kill you are.
Bro, sino to?
Turn around and go right back out the way you came in.
Gagi.
I think your daughter needs help, sir.
Oh,
Tell me how to deal with my daughter.
bro, chill.
Drop it.
Hoy!
No! Wait!
Step aside. We need to terminate her before she turns.
Ano ka, Terminator?
Terminate. It's my fucking daughter.
Grabe mo si Ada. Sa bata pa.
Ada. Just let them be.
Kaya nga. Yaman mo na lang sila, bro.
Emma? Sweetheart, I told you to stay put.
Bro, kakaawa yung bata.
Daddy.
Naku nga.
He's here.
Okay.
Those fucking things outside. What they did to us. You're a cop. You're supposed to know something. How did this happen? Huh?
Sorry, bro. This is our first day of the job.
Our sweet little angel.
Nako nga. Papaluhain ako nito eh.
I was sleeping, honey. Okay. And I'm gonna put you to bed too, okay?
Kakaawa kasing experience na ganito. Ito ba si Kendo? Feel ko ito nga si Kendo.
Just go. Just give us some privacy.
Yeah. We understand. We all understand that, guys, okay? Let's give them some privacy.
You know, it's one thing to keep the truth from me, but why him?
Oof! Piste!
I want to find out what's happening here.
Tinapos
And
na
stop
niya.
whoever's behind it. Helping people like them? That's why I joined the force.
Sa true.
My mission is to take down Umbrella's entire operation. We may not make it out.
Whatever it takes to save this city. Count me in.
Okay. Napaka-satisfying ng part na ito, guys. Putik, papaiyakin ako nito eh. Kakawa ba naman ng bata? Like we said before, let's give them some privacy, okay?
Heard of the Umbrella Corporation? They're a pharmaceutical company secretly making bioweapons.
Legit ba
They have
yun?
a virus. It turns people into indestructible monsters.
That explains the horrible things I've seen.
Oo nga, sa Umbrella nga galing lahat ng mga monsters at saka mga experiments.
And that's why I'm looking for Annette Birkin. She's the one at Umbrella responsible for unleashing the virus. I'm going to bring her down.
Wow. Wait, hindi ba yun yung na-mention din dun sa ano? Dun sa voice recorder? Annette? Oh. Okay. Dahil ko walang malulot sa part na to. Ay! Wait!
This is how we get to Annette.
Based on what you've said, the sewer seems fitting.
Well said. After you.
Gee, thanks.
Bakit papunta? Ay, oo! Underground lab nga pala. A secret underground laboratory. Got it. Palalim nga pala ng palalim yung ano.
Can't imagine a real scientist being down here.
According to HQ, this leads right into Umbrella's secret facility.
Come on. Sewers are run by the city. How could they have a facility without the authorities knowing?
Welcome to corporate America. Umbrella's controlled Raccoon City for years.
Okay. Malawak na company nga pala ang Umbrella. Wait. Okay, diretso lamang tayo. Tapos kakaliwa, maybe. Putik bro, para kagaya dito yung sa movie. Palalim ng palalim kasi gumamit nga lang sila doon ng train. Hindi naman nilalakad natin. Oh!
Jesus! That an
Ano
earthquake?
yun?
I sure as hell hope so.
May nagpapasabog ba? Uy! Gagi!
What the hell?
Stay sharp. God only knows what's down here.
Yep, sa throw. Ano kaya yun? Bro, ang laki! Is that a worm? Feel ko maka-encounter din natin yun. Kung ano man yun. Oh! Okay, save mo natin. Okay. Try nga natin mag-manage. Babay pa ba tayo sa police station? Parang hindi na siguro, ano? Hindi natin nagamit ang isang ito. Well, actually, nagamit pa natin yung susi, kaso isang beses lamang. Teka, transfer muna tayo ng mga gamit. Ito, wala na din siguro ito. Backup knife. Dahil na natin yung parehas. Gaayos mo tayo, syempre. This time, dadalhin na natin itong healing spray. Yan. Sure ba tama ang pinupuntahan natin? Oo nga, tama. Diretso lamang eh. What if takbuhin natin? Ano? Let's go. Ay! Di nga pala lumampas yung nakita natin. Kakatakot. Di ba po yung buhayin din yung flashlight ni Leon? Okay, I think that's a bad idea. Proceed na lamang tayo sa kailangan natin gawin. Okay, let's do this. May bala pa tayo. Yeah.
Again?
It's not too late to turn back, Leon.
No chance. You're stuck with me to the end.
Yap, sa true. Nasa kalagitnaan na tayo ngayon ng digmaan eh. Ba't pa tayo uurong? Ano ba yung lindol na ayon? May nagpapasabog ba sa labas? Or yun yung nakita nating dumaan, yung pamalaking uod? Okay, let's do this. Yan. There we go.
Ugh.
Yak!
You sure this is the right way?
Unfortunately.
Oh! Hoy na naman ng lindol.
Wait there.
Ha? Oh! Putik! Gagi! Laki! Ay, buhaya pala!
Leon! Get out of there!
Hoy! 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 Putik, bro! Takbo! Ay! 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 Oh! Ang lapit!
Holy shit!
Yeah! No kidding, bro! Hey! Ang laki! Hoy! 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 Hindi nakakagat siya! Ang laki! Hoy! Putik, bro! Muntik na yung kakatakot! Oh, saan tayo? Saan tayo? Just run for it! Hey! Hey! Hindi ko yung Marlin! Oh! Ano ito? Hey! Now we got him. You should watch what you eat, bro! Ano? Heh! O, diba? Sabog ang ulo niya?
Chew on that, you overgrown son of a bitch.
That's right. Heh! Deserve mo yan, bro. Marami na kaming pinagdaanan. Simple ka lamang. Simple pero malaki, no? Oh my goodness.
What the hell was...
Just get up here.
Yep, okay. Biyuin mo may zombie buhaya din sa sewer. Oh my goodness. It feels like a genetic mutation. Perfutic, bro, kakatakot. Napaka-intense yun. So, iiwasan lang pala natin yung pagkagat niya.
Can't say
Nice.
I didn't warn you.
You said the virus turned people into monsters, not reptiles.
Oo nga.
Fair point. I'm just impressed you made it in one piece.
Oo, sa true. Good luck lang yan. We're just having a lucky day. Saan tayo? Where are we now? Oh.
So let me get this straight. Umbrella sells monsters like that to who? Our military? Somebody else's?
They don't sell the monsters. They sell the viruses that make them.
Okay.
Annette is who makes the viruses. Scary as that alligator was, Annette is far more dangerous.
Alligator pala yun. Okay, got it. Saan tayo, bro? Oh, ang late naman na kwartong to. Oh, what's this? Okay, save uli natin. Bukas.
Definitely Williams.
Identify yourself.
Who's this?
Annette Birkin.
Ay, ito si Annette!
She's who we're looking for?
Not much time. Need to dispose of it.
Huh?
We're here for the G virus.
That's not gonna happen.
I'm warning you, Doctor.
Oh yeah?
Hey!
Oh!
Stop!
She's Oy! 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 Putik, bro! May violence siya!
You'll never get the G virus!
Gagi!
Didn't expect that from a scientist.
Yes, so what's us?
Leon.
Uy!
Forget about me.
Gagi, may tama si Leon,
Just
bro.
go. Stop her before she gets away.
Okay. Putik.
I'm right outside the facility.
Hmm.
In pursuit of Annette.
Yung katawa.
It's not on her. It must be in the nest.
Okay, Annette is burning the evidence. At pansinin nyo si Ada, bumalik siya sa dating looks niya, ah. Nice. Ngayon, ito malupit. Gamit na natin guys si Ada, oh. Okay, itutuloy natin guys ang kanyang gameplay sa susunod na part. So abangan na lamang ninyo na. And thank you again for watching. Pero putik bro, nanikip sadya ang dibdib ko dun sa buhayang yun. Adoy, nag-mutate ang buhaya sa sewer. Well, that was shocking, eh?